Hey! In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark IV, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Firstly, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in DevCheck and install this free app from this developer, DevCheck Device and System Info. When it's ready, click on Open. From this app you can learn all the information about your Sony's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!